Let's see how to install PostgreSQL on Windows 11. Let's start by going to postgresql.org, and here we need to choose download. My operating system is Windows, so this is what I'm going to choose. And from here we need to download the installer. So let's click on this link, and I'll download version 18, which is the latest version at the time of this recording. So I'll click on this link, which is the link for Windows, and the installer is being downloaded. It's quite big, so it will take a minute. Okay, and the installer was downloaded. Let's start the installation, so I'll click on it. And here's the installer welcome screen. Let's click on next. We can change the installation directory. I'm just going to go with the default, so next again. And here you can customize your installation and choose which tools you want to install. I definitely want PostgreSQL Server, and I also want pgAdmin 4. But I don't think that I'm going to use the stack builder, so I'm going to uncheck this option, and I'm fine with this set of selections, so let's click on next. And now we need to specify the data directory. I'm just going to go with the default, so let's click on next again. And now we need to provide the password for the Postgres user. So let me provide some password here, and next again. And I'm definitely going to go with the default port, which is 5432, so let's next again. And again, I'll go with the default. And here is our installation summary. This is fine, let's continue. And one last time for the installation to start. And PostgreSQL is being installed. Okay, and the installation is completed. Let's click on Finish. And let's now open the Windows Start menu, and let's look for pgAdmin. And here it is. Let's start it, and it's starting. And here we need to expand servers, and we need to provide the password we chose for the Postgres user. So let me type it, and okay. And we're now connected to our local PostgreSQL instance.